This series of videos will demonstrate how to understand the warnings related to the soot level buildup in the diesel particulate filter, or DPF, and how to execute a DPF parked regeneration on a GHG17 vehicle with the new ICU dash. If the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp is solid or progresses to flashing, operating conditions will allow an active or parked regeneration of the DPF. If the vehicle can maintain highway speed, it is likely the vehicle will perform an active regeneration without direct driver intervention. As long as the vehicle maintains 40 to 45 minutes of highway driving, no parked regeneration is needed. If the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp remains illuminated, a parked regeneration is still required. The driver will also get a dash pop-up warning notice that indicates the DPF is approaching full. The driver can scroll through the dash menu to the soot level sensor driver card and confirm the soot level, then initiate the steps for an active or parked regeneration if conditions permit. If the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp is flashing and the check engine dash warning lamp is on solid, the DPF has reached system limits and the engine will now be derated, meaning the truck will have reduced power and a parked regeneration is needed as quickly as conditions permit. The driver will also get a yellow dash pop-up warning notice that indicates a parked regeneration is needed as soon as possible. At this point, the driver can scroll through the dash menu using the left steering wheel controls to the soot level sensor driver card and confirm the soot level is nearing maximum levels, and it is critical to perform the steps for a parked regeneration as soon as conditions permit. If the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp is flashing, the check engine dash warning lamp is on solid, and the stop engine dash warning lamp is on solid, the DPF has exceeded system limits, and the engine will now shut down, requiring a parked regeneration immediately. Note, engine can be restarted, but a parked regeneration must be initiated within 30 seconds, or the engine will shut down. The driver will also get a red critical dash pop-up warning notice that indicates the truck requires a parked regeneration immediately. At this point, the driver can scroll through the dash menu using the left steering wheel controls to the soot level sensor driver card and confirm the soot level is at maximum and must perform the steps for a parked regeneration immediately. To perform a parked regeneration with a new dash cluster, complete the following steps. 1. Keep engine at slow idle, cannot be in PTO mode. 2. Cycle transmission out of neutral and back into neutral. 3. Cycle the park brake from off to on. 4. Press and release clutch pedal. This step is needed only if manual transmission. 5. Initiated by selecting OK on the left steering wheel controls when the driver message center displays Parked Regeneration Required or Parked Regen Available. A parked regen is allowed when the diesel particulate filter regeneration lamp is solid or flashing. 6. The high exhaust system temperature lamp, or HEST, when solid, indicates the exhaust is at high temperature and vehicle is at low speed or parked. When flashing, a parked regeneration is in process and the system is not up to temperature. 7. If the parked regeneration needs to be stopped for any reason, select OK on the driver card that appears when the parked regeneration starts. If the parked regeneration exits or is stopped and any of the dash lamps or dash pop-ups remain on, repeat the parked regeneration. If the second attempt fails, call for service. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the parked regeneration feature.